Honor robot phone is finally here, and yes, it's the world's first robot phone. Let's open the box and check out what makes this device so unique. If you've been keeping up with the latest tech, you've probably been waiting for this one. It first made its public debut at MWC in Barcelona back in March, and I actually had the chance to see it there in person. The moment I saw a camera gimbal extending right out of the phone, I knew this was something completely different. It's a design I honestly hadn't seen before.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
As soon as you remove the outer packaging, the first thing you'll notice is the triangular beveled presentation. The camera module, along with the gimbal section, is slightly revealed from the back, giving the whole package a fun and eye-catching appearance. It's a really charming way to introduce the Honor robot phone. Now, opening the box, here's the phone itself. Wow, it actually feels quite solid in the hand. The robot phone is available in two different color options, and the version I have is the signature Star Trail Silver. This silver finish, combined with its Star Trail-inspired design, gives the phone a futuristic look that really stands out. Taking a closer look at the top, you'll notice the black camera housing along with a sliding cover. On the back, there are 3 cameras in total. The main highlight is, of course, the movable gimbal camera. Alongside it, you also get an ultra-wide camera and a telephoto lens. In normal use, the gimbal camera works just like your standard 1x main camera for everyday photography. But once it lifts up, it transforms into a motorized gimbal that can rotate and intelligently track subjects, making it one of the most distinctive camera systems we've seen on a smartphone. The phone's frame is built from aluminum alloy, giving it a premium and sturdy construction. However, just like on the iPhone, the rear panel uses a different material to support wireless charging. This section has a slightly rough texture with noticeable embossed detailing that you can actually feel when you run your fingers across it. Outside of the wireless charging area, the sides feature a genuine grating texture rather than a printed pattern. It's not just there for looks, it also improves grip, making the phone feel more secure and comfortable to hold.
Alright, the phone has finished booting up, so let's see what happens. Oh, look at that. The icon at the bottom, it's rising. There it goes. You can clearly hear the motor working as the gimbal lifts into position. Honestly, with a mechanism like this, that motor sound is part of the experience. If it were completely silent, it probably wouldn't feel nearly as impressive. The camera interface is very familiar if you've used an Honor phone before, but there's one major difference. Just below the shutter button, you'll find a dedicated gimbal control. Tap it and the camera smoothly rises from the body. Once it's up, you can freely adjust its position. In the center of the interface, there's a joystick that lets you control the gimbal's movement. It works just like other motorized gimbal systems, allowing you to tilt it up and down or rotate it until it's facing you. Since the joystick takes the center position, the shutter button has been moved to the side. When you're done, simply tap the retract button and the camera folds back into the phone with a smooth animation. Beyond the unique hardware, another impressive highlight of the new Honor robot phone is its partnership with ARRI. Inside the camera app, you'll find a special shooting mode called Master Cinema. Opening it first brings up a familiar interface with an ARRI logo. Once you tap that logo, a stylish transition animation plays before switching to a brand new interface that resembles a classic cinema projector. Inside this mode, you can switch between 3 different focal lengths, starting with 23mm, along with 46mm and the classic 92mm option. You also get SDR, HDR, and the log C3 recording curve. That means when recording video in this mode, you not only benefit from ARRI's signature 4-color science, but also gain log C3 support, giving you much more flexibility for professional color grading during post-production. Now let's check out the accessories included in the box. The protective case comes with a built-in magnetic ring, making it much easier to attach compatible magnetic accessories. Honor also includes what appears to be an official magnetic stand, so even if you don't buy any third-party accessories, you can still use it as a convenient phone stand right out of the box. That's a really thoughtful addition. You also get a powerful 120-watt GAN charger in the package. It features a USB-C port, and the included charging cable is USB-C to USB-C as well. For today, this is just a quick unboxing and first look to get an idea of the phone's design, handling, and overall feel. We'll be putting it through much more detailed testing in a full review very soon, so let me know what you think about this phone and what features you're most curious about. We'll continue testing everything and share our complete experience with you. The Honor Robot Phone, your first robot phone, is definitely one of the most interesting smartphones we've seen. These are just my first impressions, and the full in-depth review is coming soon. If you're excited to see more, make sure to subscribe to the channel and become part of our tech community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!